This is the first sunshine we have had in about 2 weeks now. So Bojo and I are headed out on the Elk Knob Summit Trail, 1.9 miles ahead. Beautifully constructed trail. Kelly and her crew of volunteers have done an extraordinary job of putting together just the most beautiful trail through these woods. This elegant stonework reflects countless hours of work to make this one of the most enjoyable hikes in one of North Carolina's newest state parks. As you can see, it's a fairly gentle ascent up this mountain since they have installed the new trail. Easy enough for this 13-year-old Golden. Pretty rare to find water on this trail, so bring water for your canine companions. We're about midway along the trail now, and this is a really nice place to stop and have a rest. Nice little bench here, and a really beautiful view of Peak Mountain. It's lovely. This dark beauty will transform when the flame azaleas bloom later in the summer. Each viewing area at the summit has a placard to help you identify the many peaks in the Blue Ridge panorama here. And on a clear day, you'll see Mount Mitchell, North Carolina's highest mountain.